So today I figure I do something that is like winter theme, which is snowflakes. And today I have plate M338, and what a perfect plate. You get so many different sizes of snowflakes. So you can create your own design. You can take one of these designs, super, super easy. And I'm just gonna keep it simple. It's just a good plate to have. And there you go, simple. Let's go ahead and do another simple one. So I had painted one coat of our calcium rich milk base coat, and after that dried, I went over with ILNP called Fairy Floss. So now let's go ahead and stamp over this with a cute design. The next plate I have here is M418. Today we're definitely going to be doing a whole bunch of white stamping, because why? Because snowflakes. But I think it just looks pretty. Now I want to hang this kind of like garland cascading down the nail. There you go. Cute, simple, impactful, the kind of manicures we like. So it looks like it's kind of swoosh, 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 cascading down the nail. Okay, with my next look, this is Gleam P124. And what I wanted to do was put a color over it and then stamp over it. So here I have poppy seed. I wanted kind of like a ruby slipper look, and this is totally turning out the way that I wanted it to. And I'm gonna go in with pewter, which is our beautiful silver. Very, very nice. Gorgeous, gorgeous. What do you guys think? Okay, the next one I have is Kai, which is this beautiful metallic royal blue. And how's about we go with this plate? 338. I'm gonna do this design with a white. So there you go. One big happy snowflake. Makes me so happy. And now I'm gonna do like a little smudgicure. So I have Frosty Air and blue ribbon, and add our dots. Doesn't have to be precise. Blot it onto your lotus mat just to kind of mix the colors together, and then put it onto the surface of your nail. It's gonna look messy before it looks good. That's just how it is. And I wanted to take this design here. This is plate M267. This design is so simple. You see how it's just really light and subtle. So now I want to go ahead and stamp some snowflakes on this. You know what? Scratch that. Let's use stickers. Let's change it up. And these stickers lay so nicely and so flat, and this tool picks it up like a charm. And look at that. It has this flat end here to help lay it down flat. And you know what? I am gonna stamp. I'm going to mix a snowflake that's smaller than this size on this design. There you go. So we got some stickers, we have some stamping, we have some gradients, we have a lot of things going on with this, but for some reason it still looks simple. I like that. Just an eye-popping snowflake, which is very intricate in itself. Let me know which one you guys like the best.